Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of download on Strava app. You will click on settings, then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter here in this window as you see. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.